Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automatic with MK. Today we're going to discuss about Microsoft Excel. So what is Microsoft Excel? It is a product of Microsoft Office. So introduction to Microsoft Excel. So what is Excel? So Excel is spreadsheet tool for organizing and analyzing the data. So we can organize the data and as well as analyze the data, and we can do filtering, and we can analyze those data with the graphs. So here the real life use cases, like we have the budgeting, student records, inventory, and forming the reports. So these are the real time use cases. So we are going to discuss on the basic interface and navigation. So what are the ribbons, tabs, groups. So and also what are the rows and column cells. So how to deal with the cell addresses and active cell name box. So what are the sheet tabs. So all we will discuss one by one. So coming to the data entry and formatting, so we can discuss on the data type like text, numbers, dates. So and editing the cells and formatting, like we have the font size, color, bold, and alignments, borders, and fill colors, and like number formats. So all we can discuss in classes. So coming to the basic formulas and functions. So we are discussing the basic formulas like arithmetic, multiplication, average, count, and minimum and maximum. So these are the basic formulas. So and also we have that auto sum feature. So we will discuss deeply. So coming to working with data. So these are the things which we are uh, working in the real life. So first one is sorting techniques, and we have the filtering data, removing duplicates, data validation. So all we will discuss. And coming to chart and visualization, it comes from the analyzation part. Here the type of charts, we have column, bar, pie, line charts. So these are the various charts available in the Microsoft Excel. So here we can discuss when to use each chart and customizing those charts. So coming to the intermediate functions, we have the VLOOKUP. So what is VLOOKUP? It is a function in Microsoft Excel. So we're used to search the value of a first column of a table and then return the related value from another column in the same row. So we can discuss, we can search the data within the sheet or uh, within the Excel or within the from other Excel workbook. So in this way we can search and we can see the real example in the next classes. Coming to pivot table, which is one of the important concept in the Excel. So here we will discuss on the what is pivot table and summarize large data and drag and drop fields and use cases. So it's like mainly used in the sales reports and student performance and etc. There are many use cases. So we will discuss one by one. Across, and it can be utilized repeatedly just like automation. So we can discuss that too. Yeah, that's all about this video. I have given that brief description regarding the Excel and its concepts. So we will discuss and do hands-on sessions in the next classes. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow. Do share. Thank you.